Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. I know y'all been waiting for this video. Y'all can see it's all up here. Oh my god, thumbnail. Oh, this is Empties. Yeah, these are a lot of Empties products I used up for the month of June and July. This is not going to go in any order because the Empties runneth over. I have my garbage bag right here because soon as I get done doing this stuff going to the trash because I've been holding on too long, okay? Too long. So let's just start anywhere. So the first item, and just so you guys know, majority of these items, of course, are what? Bath and Body Works, because I love Bath and Body Works products. So the first thing here is the cocoa butter and shea butter ultimate collection of skin loving products. Okay, really, this is the cocoa shea coconut. Absolutely love the cocoa shea coconut. Smells really good. It works really well. Hold on, y'all, it's a little bit left. Hold on. I'm sorry, I gotta use that little smidget. Like, it's not even a palm full. Hold on. Make sure my elbow's done. So yeah, I absolutely love this. If you've seen the giveaway haul video, if you didn't, check it out. I bought 2 more of these because this is really good. So do I recommend this? Yes, I do. The next item is the Blackberry Garden. Y'all, Blackberry Garden is amazing. The packaging is amazing. Everything about it is amazing. Let me move this little table out the way because the Empties are going to distract y'all, because I know it's distracting me. So let me move it out the way. There you go. Now you can't see it. Okay, you can see me though. Okay, hi. But the next item is the Blackberry Garden. It looks just like this. Smells really good. This is pomegranate, blackberry leaves, chilled cranberries. Nothing like a black cherry merlot. Nothing like black cherry merlot, and it is amazing. So I definitely do recommend this, and the packaging on it is really cute. So definitely a win. I had this in the bathroom, in the men's bathroom at work, and hello lighting coming through too much. Let me turn this lighting down. It's doing too much. The lighting outside just all of a sudden got bright, so let me take this down a little bit. Okay, there we go. Woo, be a little bit too blinding. But this is New York City. Gentle foaming hand soap. This is in Champagne Toast. This was in the men's bathroom at work. I put it in there. Well, I didn't put it in there. I got a guy to go put it in there. So let me rephrase, okay? A guy went in there and put it in there for me. But this is the New York City Champagne Toast, and it is amazing. They loved it. They was like, what is this? Because they're not used to having smell goods. I usually put them in the women's restroom and sometimes put some in the men's restroom, but I am overloaded with soaps right now, so I get guys to go and put it in there too, and then we have ours in the women's restroom. So they liked it, and it was only $2, so that was a good deal. We got through the black cherry merlot with coconut oil. The women's restroom actually used this up, and they really did like it. I loved it too, of course, because I go to the women's restroom, so I always make sure to have all the different type of selections in there because I have to use that restroom. So got that used up. Another one used up, and this was in the women's restroom at work. Paris Rose Water and Ivy was the one I put in there. It was nice to use sometimes. This is something I wouldn't use at home, so I'm glad I took it to work because I got to use it once in a while with my hands, and the other times I was using one of the other selections that I put in the bathroom. But this is nice to go to sometimes, so that's why I like also putting them in the bathroom at work, because I always put 2, so I can always change back and forth what I'm using at the time, versus when I'm at home I have to use whatever's in the one I already have in my bathroom. So that makes it pretty cool, and it was only $2, so that was a great deal. Another item that was used up is this. This is Victoria's Secret Never Ending Summer. It looks just like that. Smells amazing, okay? Nicelle put me onto this, and it was so good. Like, I got through it so quick. If this is at the SAS well, I guess this winter, I will be picking this up if it goes down to $3, okay? Because it smells amazing. I don't really like getting their lotions because they're very watery, but Never Ending Summer This is an amazing find, so I really do like that one. Next one I got through, this is Oahu Coconut Sunset. I do not like this scent because I don't really like coconut scents. Shocker. I'm not a coconutty girl. I'm just not big on coconuts. But the notes in this is coconut blossom, sparkling bergamot, beach tuberose, I don't know, Hawaiian Manoe, molten amber. Not a big fan. Not a big coconut girl. That's why them coconut scents that were so low at SAS that were 75% off, I just passed them on by because I am just not your coconut girl. I'm just not her. For some reason, I'm not her. So yeah, but I'm gonna say that, but I'm gonna tell you a coconut I do like. So I'll say I'm not a coconut girl, which I'm really not, but this coconut right here, it is so nice. This is Frosted Coconut Snowball. I had it in the women's restroom, so after you wash your hands, you can put a little hand cream on your hand, and this smells so good. Not a big coconut. I just went on my coconut rant. Not big on coconut, but this is good. This is Frosted Coconut, North Pole Vanilla, Winter Fresa, Sunkissed Woods, Spun Sugar. This one is good. This one is good. So would I get this again? Yes, when it's 75% off though. I ain't paying the buy 3 get 3 for this when I know at SAS this is gonna be 75% off. No ma'am. I already have a backup of this anyway, so I'm gonna be keeping it put up until the cooler weather. I did finish up this, well the kids did, the Mini Ethnicities Gentle Kids Shampoo. Looks just like this. I love Mini Ethnicities products. Very gentle for kids, and it's used for all hair types. That's why it says Mini Ethnicities, because all hair types can use it, and this keeps my kids' hair moisturized, especially with the, if you use the conditioner, then you follow it up with the leave-in conditioner. Bomb. So that's that. The next item that the kids got through, this is the Paw Patrol Bubble Bath with vitamin E. It looks just like this. Got that from the Dollar Tree. Guess it was okay. They used it all. Justin finished up the 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Boom. And I don't let him use this for his hair. This is just only for body wash. And it was $1 at the Dollar Tree. Can't go wrong with that. Grace finished up the Cantu Care for Kids. Well, I guess all the kids use this. The conditioning detangler. And it looks just like that. We finished up, oh, this is what I wanted to talk about that we finished up. Normally I don't show like wipes and stuff, but this is from Parents' Choice, which is the Walmart brand, and this is the Shea Butter Wipes. I absolutely love these, especially for Christian, because he's going through potty training, but he still don't understand because he don't want to understand. Anybody got a kid like that, that knows to go to the potty but won't do it? That's my Christian. Y'all need to leave me some tips, please, below what I can do to get him fully there, because he's 3.5 and I'm done turning up booties. I am done. So can y'all leave me some helpful mommy tips in the comment section below. But this is the Shea Butter Baby Wipes, and after he does number 2, yeah, this Shea Butter comes through. Okay, so I definitely recommend these. I have finished up a few scrubs. First one is Love Star, the Summer Body Wash. So it's a body wash and a scrub, but I only used it as a scrub. This was from Victoria's Secrets. I think I got it last time they had a good sale on it, so it was like $5 or $7, so definitely would repurchase. Beautiful Day Foaming Sugar Scrub. Love Beautiful Day. Hate the new packaging, but guess what? This is in the old packaging, so I definitely would repurchase it in the old packaging if it comes back at SAS. I got through the Blue Waves and Citrus. I was so sad to see this go because this is my last one of it. I hope they bring it back up, well, bring it back out. It's Ocean Waves, Fresh Key Lime, Juicy Pomelo, White Fresa, Sea Salt Driftwood. And it looks just like this. Beautiful packaging. Absolutely beautiful packaging. So I absolutely love it, and I just wish they would bring it back out because I love to look at it. The next item I finished up was this 2-pack Odor Eliminating with Fresh Source Brilliant Citrus Wallflowers. So it's a 2-pack. This was in the kitchen, and y'all, this works very, very well for eliminating odor. So I thought this was nice. It says it's good for pet areas, bathroom, kids' bathroom. Yes, I need to pick up some more of these and just use it in the kids' bathroom, in the kitchen, and then in the laundry room. So finished that 2-pack up. I got through the Lemon Pomegranate Cream Shea and Vitamin E Shower Gel. It's I don't know It's alright. Would I repurchase it? 75% off, why not? But it's alright. The next item I got through, another wallflower. Randomly got wallflowers in here. This is a candle. This is in Summertime Soda. This is just one of the single 1 wicks. I like to put the 1 wicks in the bathroom, and I like to keep them in the kids' bathroom on Friday and Saturday night. I light them because they're not here on Friday and Saturday night, and I just leave them lit in the bathroom. And that one's fully used up. And I got through the 24K gold as well, and it's sooted a lot, and that's my fault. So it wasn't the candle's performance, it was my fault. And I got through, is this an empty? Yes, this is Mermaid BFFs pineapple colada. Looks just like that. Finish that up. I got through the crisp green apple. This is a 3-wick candle. Wasn't a huge fan of it. It was all right. I mean, it wasn't like a wow. It didn't wow me. It was just, it was all right. So, it was all right. Would I repurchase it? Candle day, yes. Any other time, no. Got through this. Absolutely love this candle. This is strawberry pound cake, okay? If this comes back, I will pay $12.95 for it. I'll pay $14.95 for it. I love to pay $8.95 for it, so I hope it comes back on candle day. Strawberry pound cake smells so good, and I have 2 more that I have not burnt that I'm just scared to burn, because what if it never comes back? So I'm just holding on to those. I got through Violet Plum. It looks just like this. Got it when it was 75% off. I wouldn't repurchase it. Didn't like it that much. I got through these wipes. These are Wonder wipes. These were only $1 at HEB. Just some basic behind makeup remover wipes. Would I repurchase? Yes, because it was only $1. I got through the Skintimate Coconut Delight Moisturizing Shave Gel. And this is amazing. I absolutely love the Skintimate line of the shave gels. And you're like, girl, you said you don't like coconut like that. I don't. But this Coconut Delight smells good. I don't know what's in this Coconut Delight. It's coconut, it's pineapple in it. Oh, it has coconut water. That's why. But the main note in it is the pineapple. You smell the pineapple so strong. If it didn't say coconut on it, I would have never known it was coconut in it, because it smells just like pineapples. The next item, this is a Justin empty. He finished Fresh Water for Men, and he has 3 different kind that he's using now, so he don't need any more. But Fresh Water Men's Collection, it smells really, really good. I did get through a makeup item. This is Milani Prime Shield. So I did get through a primer. So yay, a makeup empty. I'm so happy when I have makeup empties, okay? Because I have so much makeup, like the collection is ginormous. I have the Eucalyptus Mint White Barn that I finished. Looks just like that. 3-wick candle. Smells so good. I have a backup of it. I won't be burning it anytime soon, because I don't know. I won't be burning this anytime soon again, because we're in summer, and then we're going to get in the fall, and in fall I do not want to smell anything eucalyptus. That is for winter. So yeah, but it does smell really, really good. The next item, ooh, yeah, this is a nice one. I got through the Cetox Sea Mineral Body Wash. Looks just like that. And the kids used it as a bubble bath. So they used it as a bubble bath, and they used it as their wash. So that was really nice. We did get through a 2-pack of the Beautiful Day. I didn't save all my wildflowers, and you see this one is still kind of full, because I just decided to change it out, and that was about it with that. So I don't even know why this is in here. How about y'all, this, ignore that. We got 1 empty out of here, not 2. I don't know why this is in here. I don't know why. I'm gonna put it in the garage. So I'm gonna put that in the garage one. So there's only 1 Beautiful Day in here. My bad, but yeah. So I got 1 Beautiful Day in there. I did finish up, oh, another makeup item. The Clinique Moisture Surge. Moisture Surge face spray, thirsty skin relief. He's so thirsty. Okay, yeah, this supposed to relieve thirsty skin or whatever, but it was just basic to me. I don't know, it wasn't all that. Let's move on to the next item. The next item is the Skin So Soft. Okay, items. The next item is the Skin So Soft Insect Repellent Towelette. Finished the whole thing of these, like the whole kit and caboodle. I had these are from Avon. This is great for kids because you know kids don't want to stand still to get sprayed down. You use that wipe on them, they don't even know. They think you're doing it with a baby wipe. Nah, insect repellent, dog. So yeah, that is pretty good. And just a whole bunch more wallflowers is at the bottom. We're not gonna go through that because this video is probably already too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Empties products that I used up over the past few months. I love doing Empties videos. It challenges me to use my products. I challenge you to use your products. If you have products that need to be used up, girl, what is you doing? Guy, what is you doing? Start using the products. Like I have this whole huge collection over here, and what's the point of this huge collection if I'm not using the items? Then it's pointless, and I'm just being clutterful, and I ain't got time for clutter in my life, even though I like to buy Bath and Body Works out of control. But anyway, okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.